So here we are again, my friends. We are going to be sanding this with some 320 grit paper. And I've been letting this soak for a while, make it nice and soft. Let it soak for about a half an hour and get it nice where the paper is flexible so it won't cause any scratching from the edges. And we're just going to knock down all the roughness here. I've got 4 coats of primer on here right now. And I had to back off on the spray pattern a little bit, so that naturally made a larger area here to sand. I'll sand that back as far as I can here without causing any problems. I've got a pad, a soft pad in between the paper here, rolled up in the paper, so I don't leave any finger grooves in it. Now the rest of this area here, I'm going to clean up with some rubbing compound. And first I'm going to try a little something here. I've got some old Scuff It compound. I'm going to see if this will help take it off. Might help. Old stuff that I've had laying around. No, it's going to need compound. This is usually used for prepping the blend area. But yeah, I'm gonna have to pull off all this paper, and I'm gonna have to prep this area out and get all this overspray off all this stuff here. Get those blend areas down as small as I can. So get back with you in just a second. Okay, as you can see, I cleaned up the area really good, and it's all scuffed down and clean, and the paint's prepped for the area of the blend. So basically what I need to do is go ahead and tape this back up again for the blend, which will be a little bit larger. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the color coat on there and the blending, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay guys, I've got it all taped up. It should be ready for a little color coat. So let's go ahead and give this a try. We're not spraying for coverage right now. We're just going to put a coat on it and let it dry up. Okay, that's the first coat. We'll let it dry up a little bit and then we'll apply a second one. Okay guys, time for a second coat. I built a little pocket here so there wouldn't be a hard line from the tape, because I knew I was going to have to blow a little paint that direction for the blend. Remember, not too much, just a nice even shiny coat. Don't try to load it. If you load it up, you're going to have problems. We'll let that dry for another 10 minutes or so, and we'll hit a third coat and possibly a fourth. I'm not sure. We'll see how it looks. Okay guys, coat number 3. I'm using this natural rolled edge here. I back tape behind it. I'm using that to deflect the paint so it doesn't leave a hard line. And let's get on this side now. Yeah, I'm doing it left-handed. Asking for it. Just asking for it sometimes. You could put a little bit in here since I sanded in here a little bit. There. Let that dry up. Then we'll hit coat number 4 and we should be good. Okay guys, coat number 4, this is the final one. I hope I have enough to make it. Okay, now remember that color blender we were talking about? It's time for that. You want to put this on immediately afterwards, and you don't want to spray it directly on top of where you put full coats, only out here in this blend area. So I'm going to put a light coat of this only, just a light coat out here on this blend area. That's it, no more than that. If you put more than that, you're going to have runs and all sorts of funny little problems going on there. So I'm going to pull this back a little bit right here, and I'm just going to hit this blend area right here only. That's it. And this back edge of this blend. It'll blend right there. A little bit at the top of the paper here. No more than that though. Trust me, if you do more than that, you're going to be in trouble. So we'll let this dry up and we'll take a look at it after I untape it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like as a finished product before I untape it. There's where our big chip was, right on that corner right down there. And there's where our crack was, right along here and around the corner. So, all in all, it came out pretty good. I pulled back the area where the blend was, right here, and you can see that the blend's good. And this blend here looks good. And let's go look at the other side over here. I know it's a little dark over here, but yeah, everything looks good. I'm not seeing any problems, no lifting. So I guess we let it dry off completely and untape it. Okay guys, it's all finished up, and the color matched up pretty good, I gotta admit. That's pretty good for a little rattle can job. So you guys don't be afraid to try this yourself. It's not that hard to do. Just takes a little patience, a little time. You know, all in all, this probably took me about 2 hours. So if you add up all the time I spent, including all the hunting down my junk. So it's well worth doing. Give it a try sometime. Well, I'm going to end this video right here, and look at old Rube's out here. He's all stretched out. Hi, buddy. Is that warm, huh? Yeah, it's just kind of weather here. Okay, guys. Hope you got something out of this, and I'll catch you on the next video.